Hey there! Leather Honey's quality premium leather care products have a cult following and reputation. Every product in our line is an Amazon bestseller with a combined 60,000 five-star reviews. For years, our customers have asked us to develop a product for Suede, and we're happy to say we're ready to meet that demand with our brand new Suede Cleaning Kit. It comes with everything you need, including our Suede Nubuck Cleaner, Protector, walnut horsehair block brush, and suede eraser. This all-in-one kit is the ideal solution for maintaining the elegance of your favorite suede and nubuck items. We worked tirelessly to develop these products, and it took time because we were committed to maintaining the high standards we're known for. Both our Suede Cleaner and our Suede Protector are non-toxic, made in the USA, and free of harmful forever chemicals. The products are specially designed for suede, nubuck, sheepskin, and other delicate leathers. Plus, the Suede Cleaner we developed also works on smooth leather, rubber, vinyl, plastic, and faux leather, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning powerhouse. Let's dive into the simplicity of using this kit. As a natural material, leather needs to be cleaned, moisturized, and protected. The products in our kit do just that. Begin with a discreet spot test and check for any reactions. Next, gently brush away any surface dirt with our specially designed horsehair brush. This prepares your items for a thorough cleanse. Our specially formulated cleaner maintains the soft, delicate texture of your suede while still deep cleaning, ensuring your items are not just cleaned, but cared for. The cleaner's naturally derived, sustainable ingredients are uniquely formulated to relax the surface tension of suede and nubuck, which allows dirt to easily release. Keep in mind, the product is not designed to spot clean. Make sure you clean the entire piece by evenly applying the cleaner. And don't forget, you can use our Suede Cleaner to clean rubber, vinyl, or other areas of the shoes or any other item you're cleaning that aren't suede. We recommend cleaning most items by applying the cleaner to a cloth and gently wiping down the suede. But for tough stains or dirt, you can also apply the cleaner directly to our suede brush and clean with that instead. And our suede eraser, which also comes in the kit, can be used for quick spot cleans as necessary, or to erase tough stains during the cleaning process. Allow the suede to completely dry after cleaning, then seal the deal with our Suede and Nubuck Protector, a water-based shield. This advanced protector ensures your item is safe from spills and stains. Now, allow your items to air dry naturally. And just like that, your items are now clean and refreshed. All thanks to our Suede Cleaning Kit. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968.